In audio equipment, a vacuum tube, or valve as they're called in Britain, is a device for amplifying a signal. Though modern electronics use transistor circuits rather than tubes, tubes were routinely used in older audio gear. But even now, they're still widely used and highly desirable for some audio applications because when they're overdriven, unlike some other analog and digital circuitry, they tend to produce a gradual flattening of the audio wave, adding what can often be a desirable quality of harmonic distortion. This can be employed as obvious distortion, like with guitar amps, or as more subtle enhancement, warmth and presence, while maintaining a mostly clean signal path. The sound of tubes is so popular that many digital plugins include an emulation of it. Certain pieces of analog studio equipment tend to employ tube circuitry, often the ubiquitous 12AX7 dual triode tube. Guitar amps also employ this tube and its brethren in the initial preamp stages, but their more crunchy, overdriven, and heavily distorted sounds may come from pentode or tetrode power amp tubes, like the American 6V6 and 6L6, and British EL34 and EL84, each of which brings a very distinctive quality of distortion and overdrive to the amps that use them. Whether used in amps or studio gear, real or simulated, for either obvious distortion effects or subtle warmth, the sound of tubes is as popular now as it was in their heyday, and tube drive, again real or simulated, is an important tool in modern production.